Last year, our 10-year-old Japanese maple had several limbs that did not leaf out. I pruned them off. This year, several more did not leaf out. It sits under a Bradford pear and does not get much sunlight. I can find no critters on the bark or the leaves. Why are some limbs of my Japanese maple not leafing out? Is this a bad site to plant a replacement Japanese maple? This is Robert in Tennessee. So Wes, a couple of things here. Let's start with this. It sits under a Bradford pear. What do we think about that?
Yeah, well, the Bradford pear probably should be removed.
Oh, okay.
Not probably, but should. It's an invasive species.
Right.
It's the bane of trees that we're planting.
Sure.
They're here, we have to deal with them, but I'm not going to have one in my yard.
Right.
That's number one.
That's number one. Remove it.
Number two, I'm not totally sure about this, but that Bradford pear could be producing chemicals into the soil that prohibits other trees from growing around it.
Right.
So that's number two.
This is allelopathic.
Allelopathic,
Allelopathic
yes.
properties. Okay.
But chances are it's going to be something more mechanical. It could be like some girdling roots or something on the tree, and it's just causing the tree to go into decline. It could be sun scorch, or something else. So the limbs that aren't leafing out are probably not going to leaf out. So I think we may have a loss of a Japanese maple here.
Loss of a Japanese maple.
Yeah.
So
but do not plant in the same spot.
Right. So I was going to ask you that. So you wouldn't plant it? Okay.
No. It wasn't successful in that spot. I don't think I would try it twice.
Okay. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.